Yeah, we're at Cafe Racers on the 30th of March. Still around, not quite 5 o'clock p.m. Yeah, that's right. And they got a bit of a show and shine car show. Toyota, I think it's a Ford. Lots of Fords, no Chevy. You know, they got a Chevy up here, they do. And in my opinion, the Chevy should take the crown. Look at these little boys. What are you guys up to? And what do you do?
Playing Roblox.
What?
Playing Roblox.
Road rash? Look at this guy jumped out of a window. Crazy, it's crazy. Yeah, here's the... I don't really know what's going on, man. I don't understand the lingo. But we're at Cafe Racers. That's the Chevy, man. That's the one I want to go for a ride in. Yep. They're all a bunch of Ford fanatics, like Cousin Paul. Hello. I want to see more Chevys. We got Mustangs, Toyotas, Fords, Toyotas, H2s. It is what it is. The sun is shining. It's so hot, man. It's fucking cooking out here. But this place rocks a bit at night. It does. But I might just get the fuck out of here because I'm half cut and take the Lucky Less machine home. So thanks for liking and subscribing and following along and complimenting. And give me a fucking nasty comment, would you please? And a like or a hate. Right on. Okay, cheers. Bye. I love you.